Hello guys. Welcome to Whatvwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you top 5 software to add signature to PDF for free online. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. DigiSigner. DigiSigner is a free online signature to sign and fill your PDF document online. You just have to drag and drop or upload your PDF file on this site to add your sign with ease and fast. It supports many file formats like PDF, Doc, XLS, JPG, etc., to upload and sign online. It is 100% safe and secure to upload your files to this site. Along with signing, it even allows you to fill out the PDF files online. DigiSigner is available in 14-day free trial and then 3 docs per month. Pros of DigiSigner. It permits you to send the signed PDF document to anyone via email. You can get your PDF files that are to be signed from your Google Drive and Dropbox. Your signed PDF documents are legally binding. You can download the signed files in one click. Cons of DigiSigner. If you are a free user, then it permits you to add your signature to a maximum of just 3 PDF documents for 1 month. You have to upgrade to premium plans to add your signature to countless PDF documents. Pricing. These are the prices of DigiSigner. Number 2. Sejda. Sejda is another PDF site to add a signature to your PDF file online. If you are a free user, then you do not need to go for the sign-up process. And you can upload and add a signature to your PDF file without signing up. But if you want to upgrade to premium plans, you have to sign up with your email. Pros of Sejda. You can download the signed document to any of your devices. No download or installation is required. It allows to save the signed PDF documents to Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive. For premium users, it provides access to desktop app along with the web. Cons of Sejda. The free version permits you to add a sign to limited PDF documents. You have to buy its premium plans to add signs to more number of PDF documents. Pricing. The pricing of Sejda is as displaying on screen. Number 3. DocFly. DocFly is another popular online site to add a signature to your PDF documents. It has millions of users around the world. By trying it once, you will also become fan of this tool. It is offering the lowest premium plan compared to the remaining sites. It has just 3 steps like upload PDF, add a sign, and download your signed PDF document. Pros of DocFly. It is available on all the popular operating systems. You can download the signed PDF files to any of your devices. It permits you to edit and convert your PDF files too. Cons of DocFly. Its free version can permit you to add your signature to 3 documents only. You have to upgrade to its premium plan to add your signature to countless PDF documents. If you want to use the desktop app, then you need to purchase the premium plan. Pricing. The pricing of DocFly is as displaying on screen. Number 4. smallPDF. smallPDF is a popular online PDF signature site trusted by more than 20 million users each month. It provides industry-standard security for your signed PDF documents. It provides a certified signed PDF document to you, and it permits you to validate the signature to the signed PDF documents too. Pros of smallPDF. You can add it as an extension to your Google Chrome. It permits you to add a sign to your Gmail PDF attachments. You can access your PDF files from your Dropbox. Your signed documents are secured with SSL encryption. Cons of smallPDF. Its free version permits you to add a signature to limited PDF documents. You have to buy the premium plan to add a signature to a countless number of PDF files. Pricing. These are the prices of monthly billing. And these are the prices of annual billing. Number 5, pdfFiller. pdfFiller is another popular online PDF signature site trusted by more than 10 million users around the world. It provides two-factor authentication to access your documents. It provides many ways to sign your documents via PC, mobile, QR code, capture handwritten signature with a webcam, print PDF, sign it, and send it. Pros of pdfFiller. It provides a legal bind to all your signed PDF documents. It permits you to access your files from Dropbox, Google Drive, Box, and OneDrive. You can add it as an extension to your Google Chrome too. It allows you to edit your PDF files from any of your devices. Cons of pdfFiller. Its free version permits you to sign a limited number of PDF documents. To sign for unlimited PDFs and for more features, you must have to purchase a premium plan. Pricing. These are the prices of pdfFiller. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.